Good day, everyone. And now I will talk about American colonization of Philippines. American colonization of Philippines. The Spanish-American War was started in Cuba, changed the history of the Philippines on May 1, 1898. The Americans led by USA Navy Admiral George Dewey and participation of Emilio Aguinaldo attacked the Spanish Navy in Manila Bay. First, we defeat the Philippines was created on the United States by Spain in 1898 after the payment of 20 million to Spain in accordance with the Treaty of Paris, ending the Spanish-American War. Nag-start ang digmaan sa mga Espanya o Amerikano sa Cuba. Dito na nagbago ang Pilipinas noong May 1, 1898. Ipamunuan ni Admiral George Dewey ang mga Amerikano. Sa pakikilahok ni Emilio Aguinaldo, ilahang gi-attack or gisulong ang Spanish or Espanya sa Manila Bay. Dito na napildi ang mga Espanya. Pagkatapos, gihatag ang Pilipinas sa United States ng Spain in 1898 after sa pagbayad og 20 million sa Spain nga katibayan nga dito na naundang ang ilahang digmaan. History of American in the Philippines. In 1898, the United States declared war on Spain, ultimately resulting in what is called the Treaty of Paris, in which the Spanish agreed to give up the island of the Philippines in exchange for 20 million. During first years, there was some conflict between the US and the Philippines, but during World War, they come together and the Filipinos stood alongside the Americans. After WWI ended, the US continued to rule over the Philippines, and gradually their relationship become much more friendly. On June 12, 1898, Filipinos, led by Emilio Aguinaldo, declared independence. This declaration was opposed by the U.S., who had plans of taking over the colony, and this led to a guerrilla war against the Americans. Education. Americans introduced the idea of free education to the Philippines as lands. The United States even sends teachers to help establish schools where the Filipino children could have a free education. A large group of these teachers were called Tomasites, named after the boat that they come on called SS Tomas. Muna siya ang pinakaunang gitukod nga eskwelahan na gipangalanan og Tomas. Spreading the democracy and formation of good citizen, including the rights and responsibilities of the people, were the focus of American education in the country. Philippine culture during the American period. Government. Democracy was the greatest legacy the American gave us. Naay tulo ka branches ang government. First is executive, muna siya ang president. Then legislative, muna siya ang senator and congress. Then judiciary, muna siya ang Department of Justice. Next is education school were both all over the country and making English as a medium of instruction. First is the first teacher were called Thomasites because they come on board the SS Tomas. Second is the University of the Philippines. Philippines Normal College and other agricultural schools were established. Religion. Religious freedom when the United States took over the Philippines. The people began to be free to join whatever religion they wanted. During the Spanish rule, the Catholic Church was established as the national religion and was strongly enforced because of this newfound religious freedom. There began to be many different churches besides Catholicism. Protestantism was introduced in 1918. More or less than 300,000 Filipinos become Protestant. The search on the state's government submarine. Muna siya ang nasa picture, guys. Muna siya ang pinakaunang gigamit sa digmaan or ginilang ginapraktisan. Pag gina-training nila, pang sabak sa mga digma. Submarines were used during the American period. And they used it to trading war and transportation to other countries to the water. Second is aircraft. It was introduced by the Americans. The first used the aircraft and the Philippines were during wars, especially against the Japanese. Third is railways. The railway trains goes to and from different points in the Philippines to people, their goods, trade, and livelihood. Pangapat is karetela. Mura siya ang mga ginagamit sa unang panahon. Kung wala pa na uso ang mga sakyanan, for example, pa ng mga motor, mo pa na siya ang unang ginagamit. Health and sanitation. Kabalo naman dito ka unsa na. Then kasanayan na po niya to ng mga Pilipino na maghinlo jud sa itong mga lawas para iwas tang kaso, iwas sakit, then healthy. Next is clothing mode of dressing was changed. The woman learned to wear dresses, high heels, shoes, and handbags, while the men wore suit, polo, shirt, tie, and jeans. Clothing. Filipino people began to adopt the American fashion statement using hats, long sleeves clothes, long sleeves polo inside, and which matching neckties. For men, clothing that American introduced to the Filipino culture were built bonnet, hats, suspender, high heels, polo shirt, tennis shoes, short shirts, dresses, pantyhose, and makeup. Cuisine art and architecture. Prefab foods, canned goods, and fast foods are introduced by American. Para sila ang mga American foods ka lang nasa picture. Food like ice cream, cakes, beef sticks, hot dog, hamburger, sandwich, cookies, and donut were introduced. Landscapes and scenes in the environment become the subject of pain. Muna siya ka lang na babae o lalaki. American architecture are still present today. Up, PNU, and Manila Hotel are some example. Boulevard, Zone District, Street Center of Leisure were also built. Muna siyang example sa Manila Hotel. Values and language. The Filipino attitude was gradually changed. We learned to be frank, harmonious belief and rights. and freedom and love for sport. Pagmamano means is pagrirespeto, was replaced by kissing the necks of parents and elders, a sign of respect. The English language was widely taught all over the country. Soon, some English words become part of our vocabulary. Filipinos adopt American names like Charlie, Anna, Francis, and Cherry. Taglish become parts of the culture. Americanization of the part buying of imported products instead of local ones. First is colonial mentally Filipino low self-confidence and believes that Filipino could not compete with the products of other countries. Second is, as a result, Filipino culture was regulated. Pangatlo is Filipino values like pagmamano was replaced by saying hi or hello. Pang-apat is Filipino food like bibingka and suman were replaced by American food like hot dog and french fries. The influence of the American cultures brought about the good and bad aspect to the Philippines. Many roads bridge were constructed. New technologies were introduced to the country. These technologies helped the Filipino industry and agriculture, but all these developments were made for the convenience of the Americans and the Philippines, most especially the businessmen. Philippine people might have enjoyed some benefits, but they were not a real reason why such development were made. The Americans imposed these rules or achieved their main objective, which is to colonize and use the country and its people. Education was the most useful means or way and for using the peaceful relationship with the Filipinos. Through education, the American influenced the Filipinos in terms to the way they ate. I love the American culture and most of all to prioritize American products. It the Spaniards using religion as an excuse to capture Filipinos' hearts and minds. The Americans poisons our way of thinking through education. Because of this, the Filipino have neglected and sit inside their own culture and their own identity. The last topic is first movie ever shot USA Mankishai noong 1889 or 1890. First home movie ever made Roundhay Garden since 1886. Muna sila guys ka nga sa picture. Their friends family playfully walking around the garden. The film lasts about 2 seconds. Yun lang po. Thank you.